Hello you guys, how are you doing? How are ya? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle. Merry Christmas. Today's video is very special. To stay up to date with all the things that we're doing on the channel, make sure you like this video and subscribe because we have been doing 12 days of Christmas vlogs. Basically, I'm just taking you along 12 different times on vlogs, and today's video is a little bit different because we are doing a giveaway. Hence these beautiful products sitting here right next to me. I feel like I'm in a store. I'm sure when you first clicked on this video, you probably were thinking I was in a store or something, but I'm so excited to be doing a giveaway with you guys today. This giveaway is running across all my social media, my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram, and really it's just a thank you from me, from the bottom of my heart, for supporting me, supporting my dream job. All your likes, your comments, everything that you do to support me means the world to me. So I wanted to give back and bless somebody this Christmas. So this giveaway will be running from today, Saturday, until next week on Christmas Day, December 25th, because I just feel like that's the best time to announce a Christmas giveaway winner. It's running for 8 days, just so you know. And you will have so many opportunities to enter. I'm going to get into all the details, but before I tell you how you can enter, I'm going to show you what is in this giveaway. So this giveaway was inspired by my hair. I know that sounds funny, but I was thinking about what I wanted to get you guys, and I was like, I want to do an Annabelle starter pack and really go back to where it all began for me, which is the hair tutorials, the Dyson Airwrap, the big curls. If you've been around here for a while, you know that's what I do. So one lucky winner will be winning all of these things, and of course I had to include the Dyson Airwrap itself. The Dyson Airwrap, fun fact, that the winner will be getting is actually in the color copper nickel and is the complete set and the long barrels, which is great. I feel like the long barrels are my favorite, but it is in the mail on its way to me. So we are using my Airwrap just to display, just so you can get the full picture, but you will be getting the full Dyson Airwrap. Of course, you guys know I love using rollers and clips, so I purchased you guys my favorite rollers and clips to secure your Airwrap curls. You guys know as well, products is everything for me when it comes to an Airwrap, and I figured if I was gonna give somebody the Airwrap, I wanted to supply my favorite, most up-to-date products, so that is what the majority of this is. So I'm just gonna walk you through what's here. Of course, we have the wonderful, wonderful brand Unite. I love Unite products. Oh, they're just the best. So we have the Unite Elevate Mousse, the Unite Volumizing Spray, and the 7 Seconds Detangler, all by Unite. And then of course I also have the Unite Heat Protectant, which I use all the time. Dry hair, wet hair, you can use that with any type of styling. It's amazing. And then kind of for finishing touches, I have the Unite Texture Spray, which I am obsessed with. Their Hairspray, which I use literally every day, and the U oil, which you can run in your hair at night, in the morning, wet hair, dry hair, after you style with Airwrap, whatever you want. But basically all of these Unite products I use when I do my blowout, and they have really given me that lasting hold. If you've been watching my tutorials, you know I love this. And I also, like I said, I'm giving you everything I use from start to finish. So that actually starts in the shower, shampoo, conditioner. A lucky winner will be getting the Day Monsoon Milk shampoo and conditioner, which is right here. This is what I've been using for months. I love Day. Their products are incredible. The brand itself is amazing. And I threw in a few extra Day products because I just love their stuff. So not only do I have the Monsoon Milk shampoo and conditioner, which is actually their new shampoo and conditioner. It's super good. I have the 3-in-1 styling cream, which you can use on wet hair, and you can use it during a blowout, or you can also do it for like a sleek bun. It's so versatile. And then I have the Day Prickly Pear Hair Oil, which is kind of like the U oil, but a little bit different. Again, you can use it after your blowout, morning, night, all the time. And of course, I'm giving you guys the Day Wave Spray because this is something that is so essential to me to getting my Airwrap curls to hold. It gives my hair the extra texture that I desire. So those are all the products. I know that was kind of a mouthful, but you guys will be getting all those products, the Airwrap, the rollers, and then we got a last few things. I've given you guys a set of these 3 clips. They're like these acrylic clear claw clips that I've been loving for any type of fun hairstyle. But when I'm doing my Airwrap blowout, I kind of section my hair into 3 different sections, or I pin some hair out of the way. And I love to use cute clips, so you guys also will be getting those. And I'm also throwing in a Denman Tangle Tamer brush. I've been using Denman brushes literally since I became a hairstylist. and I use the Denman brush every single day. So you guys need one for all the detangling when your hair is wet and brushing out those curls. And then the very last thing that you'll be getting in this giveaway is a Sephora. Here it is. It's in this tiny little bag. It's the cutest thing ever. $100 gift card, and it is just adorable. So basically you can go to Sephora and get whatever else is on your Christmas wish list. I'm so excited to be doing this. I hope you guys are as excited as me, because this is like literally the Annabelle hair care starter pack, everything I love, everything I use, and I'm really excited to be able to give it to one lucky winner. So how do you enter? Let's get into it. The rules for this giveaway are super simple, but make sure you listen up because I don't want anyone missing out. To qualify to win, you have to be following me on TikTok and Instagram, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. This photo that's on the screen right now will be the photo that is posted to my Instagram, where the giveaway winner will be chosen, because you will need to comment on that Instagram photo tagging 2 of your besties who you think also should enter. The Instagram photo, of course, is live now. So again, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, head over to my Instagram and comment on that photo tagging 2 of your besties who you think should also enter this giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced on Christmas Day, December 25th, and you can enter as many times as you want, but make sure you're doing so on that Instagram post. That is basically all you need to know. This giveaway will be covering the whole of the US, Europe, and Canada. So lots of people had the chance to win, and I cannot wait to see who I get to send this goodie box to. So I'm so excited for this. Make sure you leave a comment down below to let me know you're excited. Obviously down below is not the giveaway entries, but let me know if you're excited about this, because I am. I love you guys. And I'm just so, again, so thankful for everything that you've done for me. You've changed my life, you've changed my world, and made a dream of mine come true. And I'm just really thankful that I can give back to you guys, even in this small way, because you've given me so much more than I can even tangibly touch. Do you hear that?
What is that?
Maybe the chair squeaking. Actually, is it a bird in the house or something?
Not in the house.
Anyways, love you guys the most, and I'll see you in my next Christmas vlog. Make sure you enter the giveaway. I gotta end it like I do all the vlogs. Bye!